Headlines on The Explainer tonight. The National Integrity Alliance, a group of anti-corruption and human rights organizations, want Cooperatives and MSMEs Development CS Wycliffe Oparanya arrested following a High Court judgment that quashed the Director of Public Prosecution's decision to drop corruption charges against him. In his decision, Justice Benjamin Musyoki stated that the DPP usurped the mandate of the EACC by considering fresh evidence without directing the anti-graft body to conduct further investigations. EACC had recommended prosecution of Oparanya over allegations of conflict of interest, abuse of office, money laundering and corruption involving 56.7 million shillings. Gatete Njoroge reports.
Cooperatives and MSMEs Development Cabinet Secretary Wycliffe Oparanya is in trouble. A decision by the DPP to stop his prosecution back in July 2024 has been quashed by High Court. Justice Benjamin Musyoki, in his judgment, says the decision by DPP Renson Ingoga to review charges of conflict of interest, abuse of office, money laundering and corruption against Oparanya was irregular and unconstitutional and therefore null and void. He further declares that the DPP usurped the investigation mandate of EACC by considering fresh evidence without directing the anti-graft body to conduct further investigations. Prior to the judgment, EACC had on July 31st, 2024, in a public statement, rejected the DPP's proposal to withdraw Oparanya's case after his nomination by President Ruto to the cabinet. In their argument, EACC took issue with the DPP's decision to review the 56.7 million case based on a letter from Oparanya's advocates who claimed the cash received by the cabinet secretary from those who had secured contracts when he served as Kakamega governor was not kickbacks but a loan, which he had been sued over failure to pay. The commission said the evidence obtained and availed to the DPP met the threshold. The High Court in its judgment did not invalidate Oparanya's appointment to the cabinet, stating that the process followed was constitutional. Following the court's decision in a matter that was filed by activist Frederick Mula, who challenged Oparanya's appointment on grounds that he had pending corruption charges that were abruptly dropped, the National Integrity Alliance is pushing to have Oparanya arrested and to face charges recommended by EACC. Gatete Njoroge, Citizen TV, Nairobi.